Hey, how's it going, guys? This is Jesse from Cars Headline. Today I want to talk a little bit why I think everybody should have to start out driving a manual transmission car. So, depending upon how much of a car person you are, or just whatever your standpoint is on this, whether you even thought about it or not, you might be thinking, why would he suggest that everybody has to start out in a manual? Well, first, a little bit of background. I started out driving, my very first car was this 2008 Honda Accord. Still my first car, still have it. But I actually started learning how to drive in a 1999 Toyota Celica GT. That car was also a 5-speed manual, just like this car. And so I've been driving manual since the get-go. And the thing is, manual transmission, when you're first getting out just starting out driving, it really helps you, I think, to pay attention more to the road. Especially since it's a lot more nerve-wracking driving a manual, for obvious reasons. And if you're a lot more nervous, about your situation, about having to drive a manual, you're going to be a lot more attentive to the things around you, what's going on to the right and left of you, watching your mirrors, watching for people coming up beside you, watching for people following close, watching who's coming towards you, all that sort of stuff. You're going to be more attentive. And that is the problem that a lot of new drivers are having, right? I think people have always had this problem. When you're first getting out, or first starting out, you're not always thinking about, could there be somebody right around this corner that I can't see? Could there be somebody pulling out of their driveway right at the top of this hill and I'm not paying attention? But I think a manual transmission forces you to do that. And another thing, everybody knows that most people have problems with, it doesn't matter if you're 16 starting out driving or you're 40 or whatever. I'd say most people have problems getting distracted by their cell phone. And when you've got this, you got your shifter to worry about, your left hand is on the steering wheel, your right hand's down here on the shifter, you don't have a free hand to, pull out and start texting on your phone or looking for new music. You got other things to worry about. You're probably not even thinking about your phone. You're thinking about, what's around you. Am I going to mess up going to the next gear? Am I going to stall out at the stoplight? Whatever. That was all stuff I thought of when I first started driving. I think if everybody learned how to drive stick for their first car, that would cut down on a lot of distracted driving. That's just my opinion. I'd love to hear what you have to say about this. Have to learn how to drive stick? Do you think everybody should learn on an automatic? Do you really think that manual transmissions help to cut down on distracted driving, help new drivers to pay attention more? I'd love to hear what you have to say about this. So drop me a comment down below what you think and why, and I'd like to thank you for taking a moment out of your day to watch this video, and take care. Have a great day.